We are in the office, well, the studio. So what I'm about to do right now is eat because I am hungry. I got me some Subway. It is so fire. It's the bacon chicken ranch, but I ain't getting no ranch on it. So fire. Got me 2 bags of chips and stands up. And then I need to put my pictures up. If you don't know what you did, it to me. Your body like speaks to me. I just took everything out this box for the first stand. And it only came with, it looked like it'd be easy. So it came with like 4 of those. And then this right here. So this is it. So I thought it would be easy, but then I'm looking at the instructions and it's like, what? This look like a lot, but it's probably not that much. Okay, I'm about to get started. All right, so I'm gonna have to get somebody else to do it because I'm not about to do this. I'm gonna get somebody else to do it because I can't. I can. I just don't have the time. I really don't want to. So yeah, I'm gonna get. So we about to go over to the studio. We're willing and running as we